Hello student, I am Arvind Kumar Jha, science teacher of Milia Convent English School in Ganspur. Today I will teach you chapter 2 acid, base and salt. Let's start. On the basis of chemical properties, all compounds classify in three groups: acid, base and salt. Every compounds classify in three groups: number 1 acid, number 2 base, number 3 salt. So at first, testing of solution. So testing of solution with the help of indicators. Indicator is a dye that will change the color when it put into a solution. So there are three types of indicator: litmus paper, number 2 methyl orange, number 3 phenolphthalein. There are two types of litmus paper: blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So discuss next acid. Acid turn blue litmus paper into red when a solution in which change blue litmus paper into red, that means acid. Next, base. When red litmus paper change into blue, that solution is base. So with the help of litmus paper, we can indicate acid or basic solution. Next, methyl orange. Methyl orange is a solution when it gives red color in acidic solution and gives yellow color in basic solution. So if methyl orange drop in a solution, the color change into red, that means this solution is acid solution. When methyl orange drop a solution which color is changed into yellow, that means basic solution. Next indicator is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, just like methyl orange indicators, in which when the colorless of solution, when it put into a solution, the colorless solution, that means acidic solution. When color change into pink, that means basic solution. So with the help of phenolphthalein, we can indicate solution acid or base. When the colorless solution, the acid solution; when the pink color, that basic solution. So it is the indicator. With the help of indicator, we can classify acid and base solution. Next topic, then properties of acid. Acid is a solution that can change blue litmus paper into red. Next, the taste of acid is sour. It means khatta. If the solution acid sour in taste, it is the solution acid. So there are two types of acid. Number 1, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid, if the is an acid in which completely ionized hydrogen ion, that acid is strong acid. If partially ionized hydrogen ion, that acid is weak acid. So there are two types of acid: strong acid and weak acid. Next type of acid is, there are two types of acid: organic acid and mineral acid. The acid present in plant material and animal materials, this acid is known as organic acid. Next topic, the acid which present in minerals of the earth, called mineral acid. So mineral acid is weak acid, mineral acid is a strong acid, and organic acid is weak acid. Example: citric acid, lactic acid, formic acid, tartaric acid. These acids are organic acid, but hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, it is the strong acid. So category of acid is when acid react with base to form salt and water. Any dilute acid react with base to form salt and water. So acid react with base to form salt and water. Next, when acid react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. So it is the chemical properties. So acid react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Just example, hydrochloric acid react with zinc, then to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So zinc chloride is the salt, hydrogen gas is formation. When acid react with metallic carbonate, acid react with metallic carbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. So this is the chemical properties of acid. To next day I will discuss basic solution. Okay, thank you.